Let's divide 286 by 2. Hey super math stars, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell on Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start this math adventure. We're dividing 286 by 2. We look at the first digit of 286, which is 2. We'll use this digit for our first step. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits exactly one time. Let's check 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. That matches the digit we're using. Now we subtract 2 from 2, which leaves us with 0. No remainder here. You're doing amazing, that was a super start. We've finished with the first digit. Time to move on to the next one. Next up, we bring down the next digit, which is 8. Now we have 8 to work with. How many times does our divisor 2 fit into 8? Let's see, it's 4 times. Let's multiply to be sure. 4 times 2 equals 8, perfect. Subtract 8 from 8, what do we get? 0 again, woohoo. You're crushing it, keep that amazing energy going. We've handled the 8, only one digit left to go. Last digit time, let's bring down the 6. Our number for this step is 6. How many times does 2 go into 6? Think of your 2 times tables, it's 3 times. Multiply it out, 3 times 2 is 6, exactly right. Subtract 6 from 6, and we get 0, we've got no remainders at all. You did it, you conquered all the digits. We've used all the digits in 286. That means we're all done with the division. So 286 divided by 2 equals 143. Great job, everyone. We learned how to tackle each digit step by step. Remember, long division is just a way to break down big problems into smaller, manageable ones. Keep practicing and you'll be a math whiz in no time. That's all for today. Keep shining, keep learning, and check out more fun videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.